Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter I. The Dutch I is pronounced as I. It sounds similar to the Dutch I, which is like the English I. Listen carefully. Say it with me. I. Now, repeat after me. I. Once more. I. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. I. Now a little faster. I. And once more at normal speed. I. A common mistake is confusing I with A. Make sure to pronounce I. As. I. With a clear, open vowel sound. One more time. I. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. I. Now, a little faster. I. Finally, at normal speed. I. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.